Bump it up. Here we are. This has been on here for less than 10 minutes. And if I'm judging it based on what I see here, I'm gonna say, hey, this stuff doesn't work as well as they said. So let's come back to it. And so those same spots where I just said, hey, it wasn't working very well, I hydrated it, I gave it a little bit of time, I held my breath for 2 minutes and I came back to it. Now we've already got, due to the hydration, all that stuff's loosening up, right? Correct methods, and this doesn't just apply to our products. Try these techniques with the products you have. All we care about is getting the trucks clean. There is a method to it. We don't just spray and forget. Try to use the methods provided by your distributor. Where just a second ago I was saying, hey, I wasn't seeing those results. Those Legion Chemicals guys are lying to me. I just gave it more time and I hydrated it. This isn't easy to get off concrete. This is slurry heavy, not a whole lot of aggregate. A couple minutes later, we're good to go. And we're not done yet. We'll leave it on. Tell me, it's been a while. I don't remember what it looked like initially, but I think this looks a little bit better. So we know now the usual culprit here is we're gonna allow this thing to dry, and I'm gonna be sneaky and I'm gonna jump out of here before you see it dry, but I'm not. I'll show you kind of what I see typically. The hazy comeback, right? Once it starts drying, you can see it's doing it right here a little bit, so that's something that I would want to attack. But as you can see, the product's still on there. I just simply have to physically remove it. I don't even need a brush. So these are just spots that I failed to brush with that green soft bristle brush. If you have any questions, just give us a call. Like I said, we're more interested in cleaning your trucks, not overly interested in making you pay for something that maybe you might not be happy with. If we don't use it right, it's not gonna work. Doesn't matter what product you're using. We can get your trucks clean, and I'm confident, if you'd like, we could probably get your trucks clean with the products available. But if you want to get them clean a little bit quicker and it not sting as bad and have consistency and have the training, just give us a shout, try our products. I think you'll like them. Bye.